Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. While I'm preparing for a new project, I wanted to send this important message to all of you guys. Very often it is pointed out to me that this channel has a low number of subscriptions. The choice not to advertise the channel is dictated by the budget available, which is equal to zero. Given the economic hardships, the pact with my family was not to use family money to carry on this hobby. The channel is self-sustaining. Commissions and above all your support allow me to purchase consumables such as glue, paint, XPS foam, etc. As you can easily see from all my videos, I haven't bought a new tool for many years. Now, this all worked great as long as the hobby was private and the materials were only for my personal projects. Am I missing glue? No problem, I'll wait another week and sooner or later I'll buy it. But now, at the rate of the YouTube channel, consumables run out really fast. The fate of the channel without your help is inexorably sealed. If you want to continue this adventure with me, help me with your concrete support. If you can donate me the equivalent of a coffee, the channel can survive and give you the best ever. I'm not begging, ever. My hobby will never die. However, my desire is to share all my creative work with you, and this is something that is priceless. To inspire and be inspired, these are the pillars of our community. You can join Patreon for continued support or donate a couple of bucks via PayPal. Everything helps. If we put our effort into it, we will soon be able to achieve great results together. It's up to you guys. Thanks for being with me, always. And, as always, happy crafting!